What if I told you that we can find the most frequent element in an array without sorting and without using any extra space? Today we are solving LeetCode 169 majority element using the Boyce Moore's voting algorithm. Let's first understand what the problem is asking. We are given an integer called nums. Our task to find the element that appear more than n by 2 times in an array. This element is called majority element. Here, n represents the size of the array. Let's take an example, nums 3, 2, 3. Our output is 3 because 3 appears more times as compared to 2. The size of the array is n is equal to 3. The majority element could appear more than 3 by 2 is equal to 1 time. The 3 appear 2 times, so we return 3. So our approach to solve this question is that the simple way is to count the frequency of every element using the hash map, but that require extra space. We can solve it using a constant space. Yes, we use the Boyce Moose voting algorithm. The idea is the majority element appear more than all other elements combined. So whenever we find a different element, we cancel their vote. At the end, the element remaining will be our the majority element. For that, we need two variables, r- r- res and frequency. Res will store our possible majority element, and the frequency will store the voting count. Let's see this in the code. As you can see, we pass all the test cases. Now understand the code line by line. First, we create a two variable, int frequency and int res result. Res result store the element which can be our answer. Frequency will store how strong our current candidate is. Initially, frequency is zero because we don't have any candidate. Now we traverse the complete array from the for loop. This for loop will check every element one by one. Inside the loop, we have if condition. The condition means our previous candidate has cancelled completely, so we choose the new candidate. That's why rest is equal to nums y. The current element become our possible answer. After selecting the candidate, we check if rest is result is equal to nums i. If the current element is equal to our candidate, it means this element supports our answer. So we increase the frequency, but if the current element is different, we decrease the frequency. This means another element is competing with our candidate. So we cancel one vote. This process continues until the end of the array. Because the majority element appear more than the half of the time, it will survive all cancellation. And at the end, we return the result RES uh, as the majority element. For more, and that's how we solve LeetCode problem majority element using Boyer's Moore's voting algorithm. This algorithm is very powerful because we found the answer in one pass without sorting and without extra memory. Like and subscribe for more beginner friendly coding solution.